bouncing?
Bounce. Bounce.
You bouncing? Ellie, can we show Mummy how you can bounce? Show Mummy. Bounce. Not come away from the TV unit, please. Good girl. Well done. No, it's Ben and Holly. You want Pepper on?